resets are fun for me. It's something I look forward to. So this is the fridge reset that sets my week up for success. Now, every single week I don't do this, but at least once a month I take everything out, wipe down, put it all back in. Ew. You say hi. All right, let those dry. Sourdough starter. Now this one's actually really clean. I'm gonna leave this alone. These actually look pretty clean, so I'm just gonna spray them. Let's put the shelves back in. She's teething right now, so baby wearing is the only way I get stuff done these days. I don't know why, but I'm kind of dreading the drawers. Lime, cabbage, tomatoes. This one's not in good shape. Much better. Oh, good morning, Gracie. I know. A clean fridge is a happy kitchen. So it's 2 days later. I feel like the fridge is just missing a few things. So we're gonna go to the store. Very happy with how it turned out. I know. If a fridge reset is something that you've been wanting to do, consider this your sign to go ahead and do it imperfectly. This is just my realistic once a month reset that keeps it clean, keeps it organized, helps me save money, helps me eat healthier. Thank you so much for watching.